Introducing the Lenovo Yogabook 9, a cutting-edge device with dual 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED displays, offering stunning visuals at a resolution of 2880 into 1800 pixels. Ideal for multitasking, this laptop is perfect for professionals and creatives alike. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel Evo Core i7 processor, it handles demanding tasks with ease. With 16GB LPDDR5x RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD, it ensures quick data access and ample storage for your files and projects. Running on Windows 11 Home, it includes Office 2021 for productivity right out of the box. The 5MP IR camera offers secure facial recognition and sharp video calling. Experience rich audio with the 360 degrees rotating Bowers and Wilkins soundbar, enhanced by Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. Despite its powerful features, it weighs just 1.34 kilograms, making it highly portable. Enjoy fast connectivity with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and multiple USB ports. Its 75 mAh battery delivers up to 12 hours of usage, keeping you powered throughout the day. With Intel Iris Xe graphics supporting 4K HDR output and up to a 250-inch projection, this laptop is perfect for entertainment and presentations. Wrapped in a stylish tidal teal finish, the Lenovo Yogabook 9 is available at 1,69,490 rupees. A premium choice for power users, creators, and multitaskers. The product link is in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it directly from Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Tech Compare for more amazing gadget reviews and comparisons.